Hello everyone, I am Tejaswini Gavande from Anjuman College of Engineering and Technology. As we know, electricity plays a very important role in our life. So it becomes very essential to give protection to the human being as well as the equipment. So, for the purpose of protection, we are going for earthing. What do you mean by earthing? Earthing means connecting the neutral point of the supply to the ground so that instant discharge of electrical energy can take place. Earthing has a number of advantages. It is basically classified into system earthing and equipment earthing. Today we are going to learn about plate earthing and pipe earthing. So let us first see what is plate earthing. As we know, the plate earthing, the name itself suggests, we are using the plate of copper having standard dimension 60 cm by 60 cm by 3 mm, or we can use the galvanized iron having dimension 60 cm by 60 cm by 6 mm. On the periphery of the copper plate, we are using the alternate layer of coke and salt so that it can decrease the resistance of the earth and we can get the strong earthing. To have the detailed idea how this plate earthing exactly works, we are having small prototype with us. This is the earthing plate about which we are talking, and we can see here the alternate layer of coke and salt is provided. The minimum layer of thickness should be around 15 cm. We can see the earth wire is taken out. It can be bolted with the help of the bolt. We can see the funnel here. It is provided for the purpose of to provide moisture to the plate. We can see here that the plate is buried into the ground and depth of this plate should not be less than 3 meters from ground surface. This is the complete diagram of plate earthing in which all the dimensions are clearly mentioned. Hope you got the plate earthing well. Now we are moving towards the pipe earthing. In the pipe earthing, what we are using here a galvanized steel and the perforated pipe of suitable size. The size of the pipe depends upon the amount of the current to be carried out and the nature of the soil also. Generally, we are using the pipe of dimension 40 mm for ordinary soil. To have the clear idea how this works, let us have the small look on our prototype. This is the prototype of pipe earthing. Here we can see it is the pipe which we are using here. Alternate layer of coke and soil is provided here to decrease the resistance of the earth. The depth at which the pipe must be buried depends upon the moisture of ground. From here we can also provide the funnel system to provide the moisture to the plate earthing. As we know in India there is a lack of moisture present in the summer system. This is the diagram of pipe earthing. Hope you got both this earthing well. For more electrical stuff, keep visiting here. Thank you.